Now, where did I put that? Is it here? No. Over there? No. I think I know where. Open the front. Ah, yes. There it is. There it is. Haha. What do we got here? What do we got here? Let's open this thing up. All right, so let's see what we got in today. I was sent a ton of product. I'll post a link in the description with a special code for everybody to use. Console organizer. So let's check it out. That's how I open boxes. And the bag right there. So right off the bat, it's decent construction. I love the fact that felt inside here so things don't move around. So I was saying, so it looks like you got a change holder in here. You know what? I think I got a Canadian quarter. It fits. This looks like maybe, let's see, card can fit in there. That's neat. My glasses. So glasses fit, but they move around a lot. Weird, it has an opening here. Don't know what that is for. You know what? I bet you that's for the light. Then here is for the USB port. So this actually goes, I think it looks like it hides underneath. Close that front. Let's go on inside the car. Come on. All right. Now you can see I have this tray case already. This is like $10 on Amazon. Honestly, I bought it a very long time ago, so I do not even remember. But I've got my pair of glasses in here, got some change, the backup USB, my business cards. So let's put that aside right now. Now I mentioned about the light. So here's the light that I was talking about. So that's why I think this port is for, so that light shines through. Where the one I'm currently using, it blocks it. See that? I have my USB stick in there now. The struggles. Thank goodness this is not an installation video. This is just a product that I am using. So it's really nice. You got the little tray here, so if you want some extra hidden compartment, you can. And with that cable down, I can pull this back down. And you see that? It actually covers quite a bit. So even if someone's to lift this, you can still have a few things hiding underneath. That's really neat. I like that. So you have a little compartment here. Actually here, see? So my backup USB could fit right in there. Okay, that's cool. And then the business card part, like I was talking about, you can put your cards there. I actually like this one a lot. Just the glasses thing. You can have it here. And a picture from my wedding. Light shines through. Obviously we won't be able to see the way the light is right now. It is sticking up a little bit further on the edges here. So I find when I go to open it, it's kind of stiff. That would be the only thing. It is a very snug fit, which is good. Yeah, it's stepping down onto, you can hear that little thud, but it's not a big deal. It's not hitting my glasses or anything. The only thing the other one you can see here, the glasses don't really move. It sits in there. Or here it's going to be sliding around a lot more. So it might annoy me, that noise. You know, we'll see. I'm going to leave it installed now, and that's it. So guys, just a quick thing here. I have my other organizer tray here. Well, this is the one that comes in the car. But I've actually switched a few things around, and then I was looking in here saying there's probably a few other things that I don't need. But like I can put some more cards there, and I can take more things out of here. And then the shades can actually go into the armrest here because they can fit down in there perfectly. So like I was saying, I can put, you know, other things here that I don't need. Actually, the Looney doesn't fit there. I think it's more for American coins. All right, but there's more junk in this section. Oh my goodness, look at it. This is all for videos. That doesn't need to be in here either. Take it out. Pens can go there. Oh, there's that cover I was trying to find. This don't always need. See, I can kind of hide it in more further down there. And then now my shades can go here and put it in there. So there you go. Actually, that does work out. Now, again, this could be bothersome for me because I hate rattles. So there you go. Super quick video. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a product review video. It's not really installation because there's not much to install this. All right, so I got a little mini series coming up. Videos are going to be 5 minutes or less, just as some product reviews. This company that sent me some of these products, they asked me to review it. BougeRV. Again, I'm going to put the link down below and give you guys a product code for 15% off anything in the store. And there's the first one, the tray organizer. All right, thanks for watching the last video. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for watching all of my videos. I appreciate the support. We'll catch you in the next one.